Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use the function keys on your Lenovo laptop. So the most important thing about using them is to know where the function key is located on your keyboard. In my case it's here. This is the Lenovo Legion Y7000 and in my case it's located right here. And every function key, unless your laptop has a function lock or unlock, needs the FN key pressed to use it. And the function keys are here. This is the function key also, but this activates them. And in my case, for example, if I press FN and the space, the keyboard backlight will enable, as you can see. And every function key, it should have a marking on it. For example, the F1 key makes the volume to 0, changes it to 0 and mutes the whole volume. And the same goes, for example, the F5 key, which decreases the brightness, and F6 key increases it. And every laptop and every keyboard has their own markings. For example, on my PC keyboard I can also open up my calculator using the FN and F3 shortcut. You just have to read the user manual or just try to decrypt what the markings mean. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.